Hi, good evening. It's getting a little past my bedtime, and I'm scrolling through my social media before bed, which I try not to do, but I still do sometimes. And I just came across this post from someone which excited me and worried me at the same time, and it said something along the lines of emotional regulation is becoming the new hot skill for the 21st century, or something like that. And this excites me because I am all about emotional intelligence and understanding what emotions are trying to say to us, and just like helping the humanity like understand that emotions are not, they don't need to be feared. They don't need to be, we don't need to run away from the scary ones. We don't need to like chase after the good ones. It's actually just in a very simple way, they're pure information. Not intellectual information, but information, energetic information of our essence, in a way. But the thing that worries me about the way that this is framed, and I see it framed this way a lot, is the term regulating emotions or controlling emotions. And that is a really slippery slope, because it's not our job to regulate or control our emotions. That quickly leads to suppression of our negative emotions and addiction towards our positive emotions. I think we need to make a very important distinction, that it's not the regulation of the emotion, it's the regulation of our reaction to the emotion, and our regulation of, so that comes out as not turning our emotions into a mood. That's something that we cause. That's something we do have control over. It's about not hold on one second. It's about how the stories we tell ourselves, like a lot of unconscious stories from our childhood or from society, from wherever we get these stories, that we might feel an emotion and it triggers an old story, and then we start telling that story to ourselves again. That's what we have control over, and that's what we have responsibility over. It's not actually controlling the emotion. So I hope that distinction is made clear. I will probably drum this in again. It's really, really important to understand this difference, though. It's really, really important. All right. Any questions, let me know.